Hi friends, welcome to Tech Community. Use scaling for printing document. If Excel table showing out of paper, we can use scaling option. From page layout tab, we can use scaling option, or from print preview option, also we can select scaling. From page layout tab, we can see width and height. By default, it is automatic. We can change width and height to 1 page or 2 page or as per our requirement. In print preview, there are 4 options: no scaling, fit sheet on one page, fit all columns on one page, and fit all rows on the one page. Please share your ideas and suggestions about scaling in comment box. Please support our community to improve our skills in Excel. Thank you.